Welcome to the tutorial for Google Classroom for Elizabethton City Schools. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to log into our Google account, access Google Classroom, and check our daily assignments. So first thing is we must first be on google.com and then go up here to the top right and pick Sign In. Here we'll type in our EC Schools email address, which each student has their own unique email address. And once we're logged in, it'll take us back to the Google homepage. And what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the top right where we see these 9 little squares in the shape of a square. That's also called the waffle. We're going to click that and we'll have the option here for Classroom. So we're going to click on Classroom. Once we've gotten to our classroom, it'll show all the classes that we're currently active inside of. And I'm going to pick up here this Milligan Dual Enrollment class because in that classroom I am marked as a student. So this is the student view of Google Classroom. It'll open us up to the stream, and here on the stream it has things in chronological order of when they were posted by the teacher. So we see the first thing here posted was a post by the teacher with a video for the students to be able to click and watch that. And also you see there is a comment thread here that the teacher and students can use to have questions and have discussion about the post itself. So according to our remote learning attendance policy, every student must participate in remote learning every instructional day. Participation includes a visual, verbal, or written confirmation of student participation in instructional time. Examples of participation include, but not limited to, a student participates in a phone call or live synchronous virtual video session with his or her teacher, with parent support as appropriate for the age of the student. A student completes work in a learning management system such as Google Classroom or Partners for Digital, and a student submits work via hard copy or virtual formats like email or Google Classroom. So here on the stream, there is an option that a teacher may make a post for each day for a student to come in for the comment here and give written confirmation that they are attending class that day. There's also an option in that policy about synchronous video. So that would mean that they're using something like Google Meet or Zoom. If the teacher is using Google Meet, there will be a Google Meet code up here at the top on the banner for the class. They'll say Google Meet and give the link that the student needs to be able to access that meeting room. If it's a Zoom meeting, then the teacher will post that here in the stream. So another option is to submit an assignment. So if we want to find our assignments, they are in the stream when they are posted. So if you scroll down, we'll see here that there was a new assignment posted, electronic portfolio. And we're going to look at a different way to find assignments, which is under classwork here at the top. So if you click the classwork tab, you can see the assignments here are broken up into modules. So, and it gives the due date here as well for whenever those assignments are required. So we're going to open this assignment right here, Legacy Writing, which was due May 1st in the spring. If you click it, it'll give you the information about the assignment. We're going to click View Assignment. So here you can see on the top right, it shows you how you're able to submit your assignment. So if under your work, it says Add or Create. So we're going to click that. So it gives us a few options here on what we can do. So these top 3 options are ways that we can submit work that we've already completed. So if you have created the assignment inside of, say, a Word document, then you can click File, Upload, Browse. You can go through your File Explorer here to look for the file you want to upload. There's also an option for Create. So since this is a writing assignment, we could click Docs, and it will create a Google Docs. See there, the pop-up blocker blocked me opening the new doc, so I had to give permission for it to open. But here, it created a new document for us to be able to submit the assignment. So once I'm finished with the assignment, I can click Turn In. It'll take us back to the classroom, and it'll ask if we want to submit that one attachment for our assignment. And now you can see that the work is submitted. You can click Unsubmit if you want to take that back and work on it some more. Or you can click this to open it back up and look at it. But here we have submitted our assignment. This concludes our tutorial on Google Classroom. Please be sure to check our website at ecschools.net for up-to-date information on our distance learning plans and back-to-school information. Thank you.